Hi guys, and welcome to today's 3ds Max tutorial session for warm lighting. Today in this session we are going to create some warm light or ambient light for the scene, which we have done. In before session we saw about cool lighting, how it works and what are the purpose it is used for and how it can be used according to our needs. Same way we are going to see about the warm lighting as well. Before getting into the warm lighting, let's see about an example from a Google image. Have a look at this image, guys. As you can see, the light which comes outside, which is called as a recessed lighting and which is also called as an ambience light, which we can use in 3ds Max. Now let's create that lighting. We know where and how the light comes and works from. So what we are going to do is create the model perfectly according to it. You don't have to worry, I have already created the model for you. All you have to do is practice the lighting. Let's create the light. Lights. Let's create a light. Click and drag and you're done. From the top view, if you see, it always comes and joins in the origin. So it's better you move it from the position which you need. So let me keep it here. I need another copy over here. We saw in the basics of modeling about mirroring. So I'm going to mirror it right now in X direction, and I need it as an instance. As you can see, it has been applied. Click OK and drag this over here. Well and good enough. Next, from the front view, let's create the same lighting because I want the light to come out on all the four sides. I've created one this side. From the top view, okay, it is appearing this here. Let's move it a little bit. Let's keep it in the desired position. Again, I'm going to mirror it, but in Y direction with the instance. Okay, that is fine. Now let's keep it above. It's directly hitting the design which I have created. I'm going to make it above so that the light comes out of that area instead of hitting the wall. So I'll select both the lights. I'll move it a little bit above. Okay, that's well and good. Now let's try rendering this portion. Much more beautiful, isn't it? Now this is how you create a recessed lighting with a warm light setting. The warm light settings I'll share you within a minute. The warm light setting is for simple as the cool lighting. In cool light you use the temperature as 6500. There's no difference in it, just you have to change the temperature into 3500 and you'll get this warm lighting. So this is how you beautifully get that warm light and the cool light together. This image is available over there. You can download it, keep it as a reference, and you can work on it. Let me show you the settings before we close off with this session so that you'll have an idea. It's done with this. I'll close it off. Let me select one light. Let's go to the modify tab. As you can see here, please have a note of this setting. Radiant units should be radiant power, multiply how much ever you desire. Mode should be in temperature, and the temperature you just give it as 3500. The color will automatically change. You don't have to do anything over here. So this is how the warm lighting works, guys. So you can even use the same lighting as the IES light which falls down, which I taught you in the previous session, and you can make use of it for your own designs. See you in the next session with another interesting topic.